colonial grid, assembly is performed utilizing overlap notches on roll-formed aluminum. The Cgm-Qc is ideal for fabricating such grids by cutting to length and fabricating the overlap notches for any grid assembly pattern. For colonial grid or flat bar, up to 4 bars of material may be loaded on the servo-controlled infeed. Material is inserted into the gripper, and the machine is cycled via the infeed pull cables or computer controls. The cut lengths and locations for notches are automatically calculated by the JMax computer software. The material is simply pushed forward. The mill length is determined by the infeed's photo eyes, and the material is processed through the saw and die punch assembly. The saw chassis is bottom-mounted on a pivoting casting using a half-horsepower motor and 10-inch high-speed steel blade. The punch die is a 4-post assembly with pneumatic cylinder, custom overlap punches, and support inserts. The Cgm-Qc is equipped with quick change fixtures to accommodate a variety of dies for different fabrications. The gripper assembly uses 2 thumb screws for assembly